check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, I'm going to open the Fairfield, baseball collecting, collector's edge, I guess, so we're going to call this. Look for the random insert card, packs, blah, 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 autographs, and more. So, I don't know. I heard bad things about these things. But I'm open to these just for you folks. It only costs like $5 at Walgreens. And they're a fire. Ooh. And because of one pack. It's like, yeah, they're not really packed that well. We got mostly John Klein. I don't know what year that is. But, yep. He's a good player. He's no longer playing the majors. Gonna be nice to get our better players. Roger, this guy was funny on TV. Watch MTV on softball. He was funny back in the day. We got here Jack Indian. What year is this? This is a 1980 tops. He got 89. Ted Wood, I thought it was somebody else. Diamond King. I think he played with the Giants for a while. Jose Grid, nope. He used to be the first base coach for the Giants. He helped made him one of the greatest ball player ever, Hall of Famer. Oh, smokes, there's an error card. I got the error card. Got a rated rookie card. Sean Dunson. These were my dare players. I don't know about this guy. Trying to get an autograph. Ken Howell has the same last name as me. There we go. Rings. John Friendly, nope. None of these packs, I think this throw these things in. I don't know where they got these cards from. Oh, never mind, I thought it was something else. Got some tops. Got the old, banner. Got the Stadium Club. Got two back to back. Big game. Yeah, what the odds of getting an autograph? Didn't really see any odds on it. 88. Right here. Jim King. Mickey Town. He played for a while. For a short time, he was the A's. Said Marion mostly with the Mets. He was a Leaf pitcher. Tom Terry. And you get a Leaf. This guy was a wild man. Watch videos about him. He's crazy. Alright, last player. Giant. Oh yeah, he was the pitching coach for the Giants for a while. He's mostly known for playing the Yankees. And the second pack. Once again, to get these at Walgreens for like. Yeah, my dinner's ready. I'm in the hotel. I'm gonna get my VO hotel today or tomorrow. Oh man, it's a fire. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to open the pack. So let's see. I think these are in 1990. Sometimes I heard these are like horrible to open. They do their. I hope it's not. And here's the pack. Michael Crest, he's mostly a metal leafer. John Smokes is the error. Yeah, this is the error. Not John Smoke, and that's not John Smoke right there. That's the error card. Howard. Mike. This guy, they thought it'd be like the next great player. Hall of Famer, Ozzie Smith, Hall of Famer. And then you got the Smokes. Yeah. That's not Tom. That's not Smokes right there. So that's one good card I got out of the pack. I don't mind the order cards, Oh man, these things are not good. Alright. Sorry, my head breathing. Here we go. Interior ball. Here we go. Nothing really Chris Brown. I don't mind the night cards, some are good. But this is mostly junk wax. It's not really worth that much. We already did it. Every time I see a card backwards, I always thought it'd be an autograph. These was my dear giant. Chris. This guy's a lot, man. This guy's crazy. The stories of him getting lost. Oh, that's a cool one. Jose Canseco. That's pretty kind of cool. Great. Got a rookie card. Like some loving. This guy was a decent, good player during his time. Close to number Hall of Famer. Of course, he made the greatest player ever. Got back-to-back cards. That always cracks me up. I need to do it intensely. Here we go. Last one. Yeah, it's not the last one. I don't know what we're talking about. So for no Hall of Famers. Okay, I lied. Hall of Famers. Hall of Famers. Back-to-back Hall of Famers. Like Brown. And this guy was... Sometimes there's cards of him that was like a vampire. And then he got a little piled that fell down. Like All-Star. Got the commercial. Got a free commercial. Ooh, okay, Jimmy. He was one of the great players for the Giants and the A's and the Yankees. Well, he got a replica. Oh, Hall of Famer. What year is this? Player, and this kind of for 2000. I see a player like that for fair addiction. Okay, Hall of Famer. Okay, well, the odds got a little card here. Larry Murphy. He played a couple years. Who knows how long his career is? Gotta look it up yourself. I think I always get the brother's nick. I'm sure it's like the Hall of Fame brother or not. One of them trained this, helped teach this one girl how to pitch. Ooh. Okay. Nobody. Mike Norkin, Jack, Hall of Famer. He's a broadcaster now. Mike Fielder again. Reed, George Hannon. Oh, this guy played last year he played most of his year with the Phillies, but his last year with the Giants, like half a year or something. And he got All-Star, all-time great. And when the free time, they'll have the whole stats right there. So that's it for the video. Let me know, like and subscribe. Maybe do better next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.